Hey everybody, this is Josh Daly with Brinkley RV, and I'm really excited for two reasons today. First off is we're introducing two brand new floor plans for the Model G lineup, a 3520 and a 4120. And the second reason is I'm doing this video with my daughter Willow. Now, the 3520 and the 4120 are the same floor plans when it comes to the living area, the bedroom, and the bathroom. The big difference is garage length. 3520 has 11 foot, the 4120 has 17 foot.
Thanks, Dad. Let's go look at the outside. So Dad, what's your favorite features on the exterior of the Model G?
So these new floor plans are going to have all the exterior features that you come to love on the outside of a Model G. However, my favorite ones are your impact guard roofing because it's 7 times more puncture resistant than traditional RV roofing. You have your pull-out Morai drawers for extra storage on both sides of the unit. Also your pull-out drawer, refrigerator, and freezer. You have your Starlink prep. You have RGB front cap lights, Gen Y hitch, and 6-point auto leveling. And one of my favorite features, because it has to do with safety, is our standard disc brakes.
So what's the inside of these floor plans look like, Dad?
Let's go take a look.
Oh, this is cool.
So this is going to be the living area of your 3520 and the 4120. Remember, they're going to be exactly the same. What's important to remember about the 3520 is this is a 40-foot toy hauler, so that's not a really long one. So we're trying to maximize two things, seating space and countertop space. Over here you can see Willow sitting in the theater seats, which is right across from the television. Those are recliners. They do heat massage. They also have cup holders and storage inside. Over here we also have some end tables, some overhead storage. Again, another sofa love seat that both those do have recliners in them. Again, heat massage and power. One of the challenges we take on when creating new floor plans is cross-conversation. Right now, we set up these sofas so that right now I can look at Willow and we can have a conversation and we can actually see each other. So that's one of the great things about this brand new 3520 living room setup. Now, thinking about a smaller unit, countertop space is at a premium. We put the TV on a televator for two reasons. A, when it's down, you have lots of countertop space. The other thing is, if you're not watching TV, you just want to hang out in here, it lets in all that natural light. We also have your fireplace down here. Again, that is an electric heater. It's going to put out heat. We have some storage on the sides. And then we have your nice little entertainment setup here. This flips down. You have your stereo control, your TV switch to have it pop up and down. We have HDMI outlets already pre-wired in here. So if you have a gaming system or a satellite, that can all be hooked up right there. Here we are in the kitchen of the 3520, and the first thing I want to show is countertop space. Obviously, nobody's ever walked into an unit and said, there's too much countertop space in here. So we're showing you the televator down right now so you can see how much countertop space that really adds. The other thing I want to show you, goes along with storage, is there's hidden storage in the mantle underneath your fireplace. This is a great place to store board games, placemats, all that stuff you're bringing with you. Moving up here, this is going to be your oven area. This is the same oven we've always used in the Model G. It's great. It's a 4-burner gas cooktop stove, and it's got this gigantic oven in here. You'd have no problem cooking a Thanksgiving turkey in there. We're using a 30-inch residential GE convection microwave oven, and it does have an air fryer feature, so you don't have to bring an air fryer with you and take up countertop space with that. We have lots of storage over it. Your kitchen island has a solid surface top on it. Now again, this is like all Brinkley's, this has got a steel base that's bolted onto the frame, so it's going to be nice and sturdy. Here you got a pull-out cutting board, you got a pull-out origami storage drawer, and then you have your 2 pull-out trash cans. And then behind me, you got your kitchen set up. You got your big sink over here, single basin sink for your kitchen area. You have dishwasher prep underneath. That comes standard with all Model Gs. Tons of storage in here. And then all your overhead cabinets in your kitchen, they're all going to have adjustable shelves. And then again, with all your Model Gs, you're going to have your pull-down silverware tray and your pull-down knife block as well. Right here, you're going to notice our CraftSense construction. Now what that is take a look at our slide-out fascia right here. You're not going to see any exposed fasteners or staple holes that have been puttied over. Everything has a nice clean look to it. Right here next to your refrigerator, we have a real big pull-out pantry. It's got adjustable shelves and some drawers in it as well. And again, this is a residential 110 GE refrigerator. It's got a water dispenser in it. It's got its own water filter in it, and it's got a heated water line going to the outside. So if it's cold outside, you don't have to worry about anything freezing up. And then looking over here, to maximize your kitchen countertop space, Willow, why don't you flip this up for us? This has a flip up countertop space off your island. It creates a peninsula look and gives you a spot to sit down and have a meal. Up here, you're going to have your traditional Model G bathroom. You're going to have a nice solid surface countertop. You're going to have a medicine cabinet that's got lighting behind it. You're going to have drawers, actual storage in your vanity, a nice one-piece fiberglass shower with glass shower doors, a pull-out linen closet, a pull-out trash can, and a nice soft close toilet. 3520 has the same bedroom as all our other Model Gs. You're going to come standard here with a king-size bed. There is a queen option. You're going to have storage drawers underneath of it. You're going to have motion sensor lighting on both sides. Nice big wardrobe with the mirrored closet doors up here. It's going to have a lighted rod, lots of storage up there for all your hanging clothes. Up here, you're going to have a storage closet that also is going to be washer dryer prepped. So you can do either a combo unit up here or a stackable. And then you're going to have your dresser here. Of course, this has got the Brinkley top that slides back and forth. Lots of storage up here, and then your smart TV. Walking out into the garage of the 3520, you're going to see all the standard features you have on every other Model G. So you're going to have your TV right here. This is going to be a smart TV. It does pull down so you can easily view it. You're going to have another remote for your Rockford Fosgate system. You're going to have a backup camera prep area. You're going to have your Happy Jack beds. These come down. It makes 2 queen beds, or you do have the sofas with a table in the middle for extra eating space. You have your loft up here for sleeping. You're going to have an in-floor storage hatch where we keep the 2 ladders for both of your lofts and your Happy Jack bed. Now, we have had max space bathrooms in the past. This is a little bit different version of it. It's oriented a little different way, but it functions very much the same. So what we're going to do is we're going to open up this door. I'm going to give it a tug. We're going to fold these walls back. And you're going to reveal your actual bathroom. So you have a toilet here, you have your flip down sink that comes out, and then you're going to have a medicine cabinet. Now, one of the things about the 3520 and the 4120 is you can actually delete this bathroom. If you just want a garage space, no bathroom, that's no big deal. You call us at the factory, we'll build you one without it. And then if you do that, you also get another washer dryer prep location. Now, here's where the differences between our 2 floor plans begin. I'm in the 3520 and this has an 11-foot garage. So this is going to give you a little perspective of the space. And now we're in the 4120, which has a 17-foot garage.
I get it, Dad. So the living spaces are the same, it's just the garage lengths that are different.
Absolutely, Willow. The 3520, again, is an 11-foot garage. The 4120 is a 17-foot garage. Thanks for joining me and Willow today. If you want any more information on Brinkley's or Model G, come to BrinkleyRV.com or visit your local dealer.